all you have to do is just hold it, and it turns on this, and it should automatically kind of like stabilize itself once it's stable. And then you have either lock, and then you have pan follow. And so what lock does is it stays in this position no matter what you do. Okay? Now if you're in pan follow, it follows you around. You see that? So it doesn't follow you up and down, but it does follow you left and right. Okay? If you do this and you want to look this way, the way this is here, it's not, because it's staying straight, right? Now if you touch this button, hold it, and you go here, it goes to this area, and you hold it, okay? Because if you just touch it, it stays in this configuration. Now this is called the go button, because when you want something to go, you like. So I could like everything set up and all of that. But basically, this is the controller. Okay, you open these up, and these become clamps to your phone. Okay, and then inside here it has the joysticks, and you could just screw it in like this, and it becomes these little cute joysticks. So yeah, a few things. You see these buttons right here? This one is to take a picture of what you see, and this is to take a video of what you see. This button helps you go to where it was at. Like, it's the home button basically. So once you're done flying, you could just press that home button and it goes straight to the home. Just be careful, because like it goes into a straight line. So let's say the drone is over there. You don't want to press home, because it's going to go straight through the trees, and it's going to get stuck in the trees, and I will be mad. So make sure that
we'll have to go get it.
Yeah, and pay for it.
Oh.
Because it's,
we pay a fine.
Yeah, because it's probably broken at that point. Okay, this is the protector for the camera. This is also a 3-axis gimbal, the same way this is. But it's a 2.7K camera, so if you want to film with a cover with this, just know it's not gonna, your video is not gonna be in 4K unless you zoom it in to be 4K. That's kind of like video editing stuff. But flap out first before you push down on the back ones.
Okay. I have to send me those videos.
This is where your micro SD card is going to be. This you can charge it, and then this right here is the flip to get, or to put the battery.
And do you just push the battery to get it out?
Yeah, it's really hard to get it out actually. So you have to push this and then pull it out like that.
Okay.
Anyway, do that. There you go. It has 3 stars, 3 whatever. Okay. Okay, we're at a warning zone.
It's because there's trees right on top of it. Freaking mosquitoes.
Aircraft resetting wireless network. Okay.
Oh yeah, the connections are pretty bad.
Oh.
Oh, that's cool, and also kind of, I don't know why it creeps me out. Looks like it's gonna attack Leaky.
Cool. There you go. You see that?
That is cool.
Okay. So if y'all want to see it. Okay, so down, left down is down, left up is up, and then this goes side to side in terms of looking.
Oh, it doesn't move side to side.
Oh, so it kind of like moves the camera.
Yeah, it can. And then this left right here.
Oh shoot.
Yeah, moves it there, and then right is moved here, and then this is the camera. Oh.
She just talked about the tree.
I know.
그러는 게 변해 하늘에 오른다 느낌을 따라
I hear it.
Right there. Guys, I'm blind and I can't even see.
Oh!
Oh, hello.
I literally don't have glasses and everything's blurred. It's a white dot.
Oh, that's so funny. Alright.
Oh, there we are.
There we are. Why is it scary when it comes at us?
Oh! No! Oh, there it goes.
All right.
Alright, so
Yes,
this
behind the scenes
goes
vlog.
down as in crouching. This goes up as in going up to the air. This left right here is the camera's turning, like panning left, and this one right here, the camera's panning right. This right here is it going left like this, and then this one is going right like this, and then this one is going like up like this, and then this one is going down like this.
Okay.
Okay, and then to deal with the camera, this is the left and right. This goes down, and then this one goes up. Okay, you just like, in order to start it, you just press this right here, and it's a double tap. So here, and then hold, and it should go.
I thought this was making noise. I was like, Allie broke it.
Well, they're holding it.
We heard, do. I was like, Allie did it. Allie did it.
Becky says she has no idea if she's in the right place.
Let me come out of the woods to go get her.
Yeah.
I went to the tree because I was like, she can't come in here. She'll pay a fine.
Hey, Chris.
So the battery started dying, and now she's changing the battery.
It's hard. What? It's so hard to take off the kid. Hold on,
Couldn't be me.
Maybe I can like put this.
In my math class, they asked us to talk about ourselves, and I put KPM in it.
Promote KPM.
I'm putting KPM in all my introductions for all my.
I said the next time we come to just hang out on campus, we should have like the business cards and just stick them everywhere.
So we do what?
Your phone has good quality.
Thank you. So we push it down and do what?
Hold on.
You got long nails.
Yeah, I'm guessing they really are coming in handy these days.
So you.
We're both recording.
Hi.
Hi.
Wait. I got the camera on you.
Camera reception.
Reception. Anyone want to zoom into my beautiful bitten legs? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Ah, people!
7, 8. Yeah, 8. I mean 8. And we still struggling.
Yeah.
I'm telling you.
My I probably could do it, but I can't figure it out.
I get you.
I'm telling y'all, KPM vlogs should be a thing. You know how entertaining it would be? We're very crazy people.
That's how we are.
And it's like we're not even trying. This is just how we are. That's the funny part.
God, I want to cry and scream.
And then it all out. What if one person holds it down and the other tries to get it out?
Okay, just hold this. Like, yeah. Okay, alright. Did anyone? You know what? I didn't even share.
Is that going down or are you putting it back up?
No, you're supposed to bring it like sliding out. You push this down. Can I slide this up? Yeah. Like you have to hold it pushed down.
I don't want to break it. I'm scared. Nope. They get you.
So you have to push this down like this, and then pull it out this way, like that.
Nope, that's not working.
And then right here, like.
Drop the battery once you got it out.
Look, even it's fate that we do that to Becky because that did never want to work.
Alright.
I'm just gonna be funny. She's just walking in here and she hears coming at her head. The nature in general.
I have gone 20 years without getting stung by a wasp or bee, and I kind of want to keep that record.
I've never been stung in my life, so I don't even know if I'm allergic to them or not.
Same. I don't want to find out. I don't.
Y'all don't go get tested to see if y'all are allergic to stuff?
No.
No.
You don't know what they just like prick your arm with a bunch of things. You just sit there and see if you react.
Wait a damn minute. Wait a damn.
I never had it done. I looked up videos.
Oh God, no. Stay still. Stay still.
Up, down, left,
Not that bad. I got used to it.
right. And then this is to go forward, this is to go backward, and then this is to go to side to side. Okay?
Becky says she's on her way.
Okay, when Becky gets here, Allie can throw the drone.
Tell her to go the first stop. Go down the first stop.
Chase.
Chase it. I'll give it to me. Give it to me. Oh, my hair. We're gonna go in the tree and get out your way.
A drone.
Drone is up right now.
Yeah, that is.
Alright, turn this off. Can you see it from here? Yep. There he is. Hey. Let's hope this one can. Oh, here it comes.
Please don't kill anybody or hit a tree.
I'll turn it to the tree.
You can't hit any casualties.
We gotta find the beach.
A good beach in Texas? Are you crazy?
That is pretty hard.
Here you go.
Oh, okay.
Are you planning on going all the way to Corpus then?
Again? I will drive to Corpus just to go to the beach to get that, because that'd be fun. And it's an excuse to go to the beach.
Mm-hmm.
And it's hot.
Do you know how to
Shoot,
work
I'm not
on
even
the
in alcohol free, and I'll come with you.
하늘에 오른다 느낌을 따라가 yeah, yeah. 마음속을 보면 머리 위로 보이지 않던 세계가 보이지 않던 세계 우리 겹치듯이 너의 매력을 닮은 그 빛을 비춰봐 비춰봐 따뜻한 맛을 가진 이 불빛 so bright 너무 예쁜 색깔은 난 탄성이 멈추지 않아 지금 바로 이 순간에 여기 거기 저기 빛으로 날 비춰봐
and they were doing the hat thing. This was me.
Was it really?
So hard, yeah.
You're doing that crab walk that drumline does.
Yeah.
I found the drone, guys. Go.
He's bent at all times.
and pharmacy technician. Just start classes at Pima Medical in July, August, or September to receive your $1,000 tuition savings. It's Pima's way of giving back, so you can start your healthcare career.
Wow, I love
Restrictions
ads.
apply. Visit PMI.edu.
I don't remember it.
It's beeping.
Low battery again?
Again? Yeah, it's a really low. There's another gimbal one.
When did that one appear?
위험하지 않아 네 눈을 믿어봐 걱정 깃든 얼굴 필요하지 않아 필요하지 않다고 넓은 하늘 위를 걷고 싶니 진짜 네 얘기를 해봐 불이 켜진 듯한 높은 곳에서 밝게 날 비추스면 해
Hey, you! Drone rescue!
It's okay, you're not the only one.
You got stuck all the way in the tree.
Yeah, it was like up on the tree. And then like, it was like...
It was bad happening. I thought she was gonna. That was funny.
That was
He's like, I see a white
blind
dot.
Ava.
I broke my glasses on the way here.
All right, everyone count how many
How was
bug
it?
bites you have.
I mean, I didn't crash into a tree like V,
Zero.
the
Well,
owner.
one.
So, I mean, it counts for something, right?
Feel them right now.
It's
Yeah.
later on.
All right, Josh. How was it?
It was alright. Hit a tree. It was.
You know
I don't know
what's
why they put that tree there. They should chop it down.
I saved a drone.
Bye-bye tree.
You know what, John?
The camera almost hit you.
You
But
may
was
not have hit something, but you almost hit yourself.
something almost hit you.
Was it with the drone though?
No.
It was No, with it the wasn't. No.
We were all very
And you were
successful.
doing great with the camera, Becky. Thank you. I'm pretty sure I cut half y'all's heads off. But it's okay.
I almost hit Becky when we were doing pick it up and I had to walk. I was like, please don't. I was like, move.
It's because like down here it's fine, but when I go up, I cut people's heads off. I
just
have this very
this first one.
dramatic dress that I bought.
I saw you sent Instagram, right?
Yeah, like
Yeah,
the
it's
very
it's
like
Aladdin
over
carpet.
dramatic.
Yeah, you were like, I don't know if I should buy it, and then you were like, I bought it.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure ants attacked this bag by now, so we have to go bye-bye.
That's the horse I fell off of. I was riding behind her, so I'd never been on one, so I was like going behind her the first time, and got spooked because her brother in the butt. What? Because she was trying to.
I'm sorry, shot a gun?
Well, we were out in like nowhere, so
Oh.
yeah.
Texas, you're really surprised that someone's having a gun?
No. No,
I
never
think
mind.
It's probably a BB gun, but she was
something
trying
biting
to
me?
open a
I feel like
cage
there's,
at the
oh,
same
see, I
time,
have one on the back of mine.
and it hit it
Ow!
on the wall. Like, yeah. And then we went, you know, like in slow motion movies where it's like, yeah, that's what get up there. Here. So I couldn't.
I have my lights on auto.
Yeah, mine not. I don't have auto.
I have a 2011 Ford Fusion.
Hey, how far did you and Josh get? By the way, just out of curiosity.
She's like, all the way.
Rip.
We're in Jimenez garage right
Oh my god! Wish you could
Wait,
test
isn't that the one you parked in, Allie?
I didn't park in it. I just parked
around
across from
it.
Yeah.
Guess what happened? I want you to just guess.
Oh man, nah, you just tell me I don't just tell me. I don't have to guess.
Should I call somebody?
My battery died. Well, okay, no. No, it's the same. My lights are on, but it's my battery light, just like what happened last time. And it turned out to be my fuel pump. Yeah, so, my car stalled. No.
We never left the parking lot.
I never made it out the parking lot.
We're stuck.
We're trapped.
Should we go look at the bus?
I turned my car on and it was fine, and I started driving, and then my wheel like locked up, and then my battery light came on, and then all of a sudden it was like stiff. So I put it in park, and I'm like, okay, let me turn it over, try again. Turned over, it started to go, and it did the exact same thing. I tried it one more time, didn't even get that far. I started rolling backwards because I'm on a slight decline. Like, yeah. I can't afford to fix it. Do you think if we get it going again, you can just let me hop outside and you just hit me? Do you see that?
Like, you need to make a vlog out of all of this.
I sure am.
And my steering wheel is locked too. I can't even turn it.
Welcome back.
Welcome back to the land of... We're stuck.
We're here to rescue.
Yes, please.
Please.
Let everyone get out, then hit me. I have insurance.
No.
I have insurance. I'll give it insurance money.
I could hear it in her voice. She goes, it's stuck.
Have you tried cranking it? What does it?
Wait, okay. Watch out, people. Let's see. Can we shut this? Let's see. Let's see how long it takes. Okay.